Okay, what's up, YouTube? It is Pacey AI one more time. About to give you another video. Remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. So I want to talk to you guys about how you can go ahead and make music as well as music videos and essentially start your own record label by uploading music to TuneCore as well as YouTube and other social media platforms. This is just a simple tutorial on how to do it. You can do it in any way you want. So definitely leave a like, share, and subscribe, guys. I have ChatGPT open, as you guys can see, and this is a GPT that I created. So this is called the Kling AI Music Video Prompt Creator. Now, if you want to create a song, this is essentially all you need to create the whole song as well as the music video. So let's say I wanted to create a song about, I don't know, prompt me the scenes for a song about life lessons. So I could just click on that. And what it's gonna do is gonna ask you a series of questions. It's gonna ask you the song genre, it's gonna ask you the song length, protagonist description. And then once we have those details, we can go ahead and write the full original song as well as a set of detailed prompts with visuals and video directions. So I went ahead and filled in all those details. Now we got a song called Pages Turn, and this is the description right here. So it gives you the lyrics to the song, verse 1, verse 2, the chorus, everything, pre-chorus, all that. And then essentially it also gives you the scenes to the music video. So as you can see, there's 21 scenes here, and what you'll notice is that for every scene, it gives you an image prompt, which you can use in Leonardo, which I'm going to show you in a few. And it also gives you the video prompt description. And I'm not going to be using this song, but I'm going to be using a song that I created for an AI artist named Zara. And the name of the song is Lost and Found. So I'm just going to play it a little bit so you guys can hear it.
Woke up today in a haze. Feels like I'm stuck in a maze. No map, no guide, no way, but I'm gonna find my way.
So that's the song, and this is the song I'm gonna be using for the music video. Now, what you wanna do, you wanna go on this platform called Leonardo.ai. And what you want to do is essentially use the prompts. So these were some of the images that I created for the music video, as you guys can see with Leonardo, using prompts from that music video generator. And yeah, as you can see, it's generating different prompts with different scenes of the music video, which I'm then gonna animate with Kling. So once you use the prompts to generate the image from ChatGPT in Leonardo, then you can take those images and generate scenes with Kling. Now, as you can see, these are some of the videos that I generated. So if you look at that one, that's a video from one of the scenes. This is another scene right here. This is another scene right here. And what I'm going to be doing is stitching these videos together and also include lip sync in the video so that you can get a very coherent music video. So essentially, these are the scenes. Now, the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this platform called Wondershare Uniconverter. And what this is going to do is going to allow me to split the song from Suno in 10-second parts. So essentially what you do, you download your song as an MP3 from Suno, and then you'd go here and then you would import your MP3 over there. And then you would say audio split, and then you say split by duration. And then you want to make sure that this is 10 seconds, right? No more, no less. You want to click confirm. And then what that will do is that it will split the song up into multiple parts. And the reason for this is because on Kling, each scene of the music video is 10 seconds long, as you guys can see. So we're only able to do 10 seconds on Kling for each generation. So what we want to go ahead and do is lip sync the audio into some of the scenes, not all the scenes, just the scenes where the face is fully shown. So for example, a scene like this, you would go ahead and lip sync it. So I can show you an example of this right here.
Feels like I'm stuck in a maze. No map, no guide, no way, but I'm gonna find my way.
So as you guys can see, that's one of the videos that were lip synced with the 10-second audio that I just split. Once you do that for multiple videos, now the next thing you want to do is that you want to open up CapCut. Now, if you don't have CapCut, you can download this for free. The paid version is better, but you can also get it for free. What you want to go ahead and do is that you want to take all the lip sync videos. So I downloaded 3 lip sync videos from Kling to give you an idea of how this would work in CapCut. So what you want to do is go ahead and drag those lip sync videos into your CapCut editor, as well as you want to drag the whole MP3 file as the audio. Now, next, what you want to do is that you want to mute the volume of each of these clips. So as you can see, I'm muting the volume for each of these clips. So you want to go ahead and drag all the lip sync scenes into CapCut. And then once it's done, your result will look something like this.
Woke up today in a haze. Feels like I'm stuck in a maze. No map, no guide, no way, but I'm gonna find my way. Stumbled upon a street sign. Thought it was all in my mind, but the world, it starts to clear. Now I'm ready, no more fear.
So as you can see, that's not bad. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and publish your music. All you got to do is go to TuneCore. You want to upload your song. You want to create an account on TuneCore. You can get unlimited distribution started at $22.99 per year. Not bad. And essentially, this will post your music to over 150 stores, online distros. So that's a great way to just promote your music and get your music out there and essentially start your record label. So you want to submit your music to TuneCore. You want to fill in all the details. As you can see, this is their pricing structure. And I think all these deals are great. I would go with the professional because it's only $49.99 a year. It's not bad. And essentially, you will have your own music label, music distribution company. You want to also upload your music to social media like YouTube and different platforms, TikTok, so that you can get views and stuff like that. So you will have everything. You will have your music, which is the music you generated from Suno. You have a music video. And not to mention, with CapCut, you can also do lyric videos. So if you go to captions right here, and then you go to auto lyrics, you can choose from all these templates, and essentially will allow you to add lyrics to the song. So it will follow the song, it will follow the lyrics and add it to the song while the music is playing. So that's pretty cool as well. Multiple things you can do to get started with your music label, music distribution company. This is essentially how you would do it. So now you have music, lyric videos, music videos, and now you can publish and distribute your music on different music streaming platforms. So let me know what you guys think about this tutorial. I tried to make this as simple as possible. Leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more videos like this, but have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Peace.